Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Intex 1200 gallons per hour sand filter. Now, if you have one of those Intex spools like we do, the one where you can put it up and take it down at the end of the season, the filter that it comes with really is not enough. And I believe that's like a 4,000 or 5,000 gallon pool. It's just ridiculous. It barely filters it. So a lot of people said, hey, check out the sand filter. The 1200 pump should be fine. You can figure out what size pump you need based on the size of your pool. And then some people have recommended, hey, you can probably go with the saltwater filter too if you don't want to mess with the chlorine. Haven't done that yet, but we're going to take a look and see what's in the box of this Intex sand filter. The only thing you're going to have to get, I don't think it comes with sand, but they say the sand will last like 3 to 5 years before you have to really replace it. So that's pretty cool. And it supposedly is a lot easier to clean and wash and backwash and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead, take a look and see what's in the box here. Now, prices on these things were like all over the place, but the best place that I found it was actually eBay and Amazon. I'll post both the links below. But depending on who has it on sale and what the shipping is at that time, you may be able to find a really good deal on it other places. But like I said, I picked this one up from eBay, and that was the best deal. It is brand new. And again, this is the 1200 series. So there it is. There's the top of the filter. I'll do this with one hand. Now, the sand filter has your different things about the different filtration, waste. You can do backwash and all that type of stuff to clean it. And then you got your PSI. It's a pretty decent size and nice construction there. We'll say that. The other good thing about this, I believe it has a built-in timer too, where the other smaller one that came with it did not have a timer, so the thing was like running all the time. We have a couple little hose connectors. The power supply. That also has the reset button on, so it has a little bit if we need to do a GFI on that. Sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm trying to do this in one hand. There you go. That's one of the filters right there. I believe that goes into the sidewall of the pool with a couple extra little pieces in there. Let's not lose any of that. The actual control unit. Let's get out of here. Looks like a gasket of some sort. A tisket, a gasket. Another pipe. This would be a lot of fun to put together. Your instruction manual. Some other little pieces down in there. Here's the actual bucket where I guess the sand sits at the bottom there with your outlet valve. So more piping there, so that's great. Some people actually said they didn't get the pipe with it. I don't know which one they bought, but this has plenty of pipe. Plus, if you bought the Intex pool that came with the original one, that piping could also fit as well. I would probably just use the new piping. And then here, this actually is pretty heavy. Let's see. The little motor there. This is actually the control valve. That's a little gasket. It's got the power supply there, but there's the little controller up top. So that's probably where the timer is built in. So that's pretty cool. It's actually pretty heavy, but I'm looking forward to checking this out. It says what it's weighted for. The type of horsepower, 0.18 motor. Very nice quality overall. So again, if you're looking to upgrade that Intex filter that came with the pool, I believe there's a couple other brands too that it will work with. I think it's like Summer Waves or some other brands like that. They all look like the same type of pool. I believe that will totally be fine. But again, the biggest thing is you're going to want to find out what size pool you have, how many gallons, and then you can base that and use that number to determine what size sand filter you need. So the sand that I'm going to pick up, I got to go get it from Home Depot. I got to see how much it actually needs this unit. But, I mean, 50 pounds of the sand is like 10 bucks. So really not that bad. Really loaded that back up pretty poorly. But I got to go actually set this up for the pool because we're putting water in it right now and getting it all set up and ready for the season. Now, that's what we have right here for the 1200 gallons per hour Intex sand filter. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and we'll see you soon.